Welcome to RAISINS.live, your all-in-one platform for experimental data analysis. To get started, go to Statistical Genetics and choose Diallel Analysis Griffing Method IV. Tap Get Started to reach the login page. Then enter your email and password to sign in. Once you're in, go to the Analysis tab. Click Browse to upload your data file. After uploading the file, you need to select the model. Then select the parent 1 column next, select the parent 2 column next, comes replication column, and then select the variables. Click Run Analysis to generate your results. You can download the output in Word, PDF, or HTML formats. In the TraitWise Stat tab, Combining Ability Effects Matrix and Mean Matrix are available. A detailed individual tables for SCA, GCA, and RCA is shown when you click Show Detailed Effects. And in the Advanced Plot tab, a combining ability plot is provided. The upper triangle represents SCA effects, the diagonal values indicate GCA effects, and the lower triangle represents RCA effects. These combining ability plot can be customized according to users' preferences. For presentation-ready visuals, head to the Basic Plots tab to create box plot, violin plot, mean value plot, connected line plot, and bar plot. All plots are fully customizable. You can customize them according to your needs. In the AI Interpretation tab, RAISINS Assistant provides clear and insightful summaries of your data. If you have any doubts, click FAQs. Get started with RAISINS.live and make your data speak.